Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design. In today's video, we're going to talk about making money online, okay? This is really a fascinating subject because a lot of people are really, online, they're starting up businesses, they're making money, and some of them are even firing their bosses like myself and Anastasia, and we've been able to, be home, free of a job, travel, do what we want when we want, talk on stage, mentor people, have all that great fun, right? But it's simple, but it wasn't easy, okay? Just to let you know, it's simple, but it's not easy, okay? And what I mean by that is a lot of people have trouble being consistent when it comes to building a business online. And here's my first point that I want to talk about, okay? A lot of people, when they first get started in an online business, here's the first thing that happens. They get into study mode and they don't literally focus on taking action after they learn something. Okay, this is a big problem on the internet that we see all the time. A lot of students that we coach, same thing. They don't take action on what they learn. Here's what they do, okay? They're always getting ready to get ready. I'm gonna do this when, the cards are right. I'm gonna do this when the stars are aligned or the moon's in this area, or, you get what I'm saying? It's like they're always getting to get ready and they're waiting for the perfect time to do something. And that is not the way to build a business on the internet. That is not the way. I mean, you got to take action. You got to be consistent. And you got to do it every single day. Okay. Here's another thing I want to talk about that really just for me and Anastasia, come on, really? Stop spending money and start investing, guys. Okay. You have the wrong mindset. We've talked to people that are like, oh, well, I can't, spend money on my advertising, and oh, I can't spend money on a business. And I'm like, really? You can't spend money on yourself? You can't invest in yourself? Okay? See, people want to be free and people want to have no job. They want to live the laptop lifestyle, but they don't want to invest in their business. Okay? And what I mean by stop spending money and start investing, it means it's a different mindset. Totally different mindset. You don't want to just go, oh, well, I got to spend money. No, that's not the way it works. You're investing money in yourself. When you invest money in your business, you invest money into something that potentially can actually get you away from your 9-to-5 job. Okay? This is powerful stuff, guys. So don't think of it as spending money. Think of it as investing money. Okay? So when I invest in a product, I'm investing in myself into this business. If I'm investing in advertising, if I'm spending money on advertising, I'm not spending in advertising, I'm investing in advertising of what return I'm gonna get from what I'm building. Does this make sense? Okay? So you guys gotta change that mindset if you wanna build a business online successfully, okay? And here's the thing, guys. Stop riding the trend, okay? I see this all too often. This is where it works now, or this is where it works today, and that's not reality, guys. The reality is what works today is probably going to work tomorrow, okay? Because you have to keep running a business no matter what changes on the internet. So stop trying to ride the trend, the trend and say, well, this is going to work better, so I'm going to do this over here. Like, for instance, let me give you an example. E-com. Everybody's saying e-com is the biggest thing. Guys, e-com has been around for years, okay? Just because someone said it's the biggest next thing, it doesn't mean it's the biggest next thing. It just means they just want to make a big fuss about it to actually spend, provide you with courses so they can make money on those courses so you can go learn that activity. It's not special today or this year or last year. This has been going on for over a decade. E-com is not a new thing, guys, okay? So don't ride the trend. Just learn marketing, okay? Most people, what happens is they think that something is going to set them free, but here's what's going to set you free, guys. Learn marketing. And if you learn marketing, you could feed yourself for a lifetime and literally be free from your 9-to-5, okay? Now, here's one thing I learned from my coach. And he said, don't innovate. He says emulate. And I'm like, okay, cool. And I get that. That means don't try to reinvent the wheel. Just model after what works, right? You do what already works. You emulate. You don't copy verbatim, but you emulate and you figure out what works and then you go do it, okay? And take action on it consistently. Because most people, the ego gets in the way and they're like, well, I know how this works and I'm going to do it this way because that's the way it's going to work. No, that's not the way it works online, guys. The way it works online is you got to basically emulate what works. You have to study your competition. You have to look at what's going on out there in the marketplace. And then when you know what works, you go after it and you emulate and you do exactly what the other person is doing, okay? Not verbatim, but you emulate and you do your own words and your own concept about what works. And when you do that, guess what? Success comes, right? Why? Because you're doing what works and you're not reinventing the wheel, okay? We're living proof of this. We've actually fired our bosses. We've become the top income earners in our company, the Super Affiliate Network. That's the name of our company. And I can tell you guys, we did not reinvent the wheel. We did what works on the internet and we just follow suit. And guess what? It works, right? Just stay consistent and just follow on path and you'll be fine. Now, here's the thing that I want to talk about. A lot of YouTubers that have an online business talk about, oh, well, you know, you got to be disciplined and you got to have these habits. And though that's true, okay, I'm not knocking that. Though that's true, here is how successful people think, okay? This is how successful people think. They create successful rituals every single day of their lives. They don't think of habits. They don't think of discipline. They think of creating successful rituals, right? That they just literally live by day by day by day, right? And this is how you become successful. And you don't falter, you don't change, you just keep on path. And you focus like a laser beam and the results will come, okay? So definitely focus on creating successful rituals, all right? And then that should help you. Because I know that the whole thing about discipline and creating habits, kind of like a negative word with a lot of people. Don't look at it that way. Look at it successful rituals, okay? And that'll change your mindset. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is I don't want you to borrow someone else's negative emotion, okay? Because that'll rob your belief of what you believe in. There's a reason why you got online, okay? And there's a reason why you're looking at this video. And there's a reason why you're searching to make money online. But here's the problem, okay? Most people get influences by outside sources that have negative emotion, so therefore that has an impact on your belief. That's not cool, because that's not gonna work, right? If you have a belief, you have to remember in the first place why you got interested to make money online in the first place. It's to become an entrepreneur. It's to have time and the freedom. It's to, call your own shots. It's to fire your boss, right? These are the reasons why I got involved online, because I wanted to, call my own shots. I want to live life on my terms, my own terms, okay? And you can too. But you have to not let outside forces dictate what you believe in. Because all you got, let me tell you something right now, is this. And when you have this and you got it in check, you're going to be fine. But if you let outside influences get the best of you, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to grow this online business and achieve success. Okay? So guys, with that being said, I want to thank you so much for stopping by this video. And by the way, if you have been watching our videos for a while and you love our content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you smash that like button and leave a comment. Let us know what you think about our content. Not only that, but click on that notification bell so that we get all the latest trainings and updates that we provide on this YouTube channel with Asa Rich Freedom by Design. Okay? Take care, guys, and we'll see you on a new video very soon. Bye now.